Welcome to RVer Frank's Yurf Dog House. Okay, so this is a pile, and it has the capability of a forward camera and a rear camera. I like the forward camera. Of course, when you're going up a hill, you can see the ground, what's in front of you, when in the event it's steep enough you can't see over the front of the X3. And of course the rear camera gives you the visibility that you need back there, especially if you have spare tire rack, trunk, and other accessories that block that rear view mirror or rear view. You get a little condensation on that camera. It's a little unclear. It burns off with any condensation. I hooked up to a switch, and it's actually connected to the accessory plug underneath this area down here. The routing of the video camera goes around to this pillar here. In this wiring loom is power to the switch and to the 4.5 camera. That wire that runs to the front camera is in the wiring loom, flex conduit, goes underneath, and comes out there to the front camera. Now this is a standard license plate camera, so concerns with regards to waterproof, it'll have the standard waterproof that you're going to find with any license plate camera. It's going to get wet, and so you just want to make sure that all your connections have waterproof connectors wherever you splice any wires together. I actually cut the license plate camera, which bolts up at each end to a license plate. I cut it off. I put some shrink tubing here, shrunk it down, and I just cable tie it. For the rear, you snake the wire through the floorboard there. I have it coming out that location there. You can see it, and it routes around, and I have it connected here. It's all in protected flex conduit. Any splice is watertight with shrink tubing. And then here's the camera. I shortened up the camera to mount it at each point. You can see the condensation coming out of that. There's the camera. So it's pretty simple. It's inexpensive. I'll put a link below on the Amazon site for the camera and this pile display. I've had this in a quad van because of the visibility challenges in that size vehicles. It was a 1-ton quad van Ford. And you couldn't see anything in front. I had one of these cameras in front. Gives you the visibility that you need up close, especially if you're in a rock crawling mode. So that's my visibility improvement setup for this Can-Am X3. You can see I don't have any visibility without that camera. I've got a spare tire mount, the trunk, and there's just, you have some visibility with the side mirrors, but they're impacted with these flares, mud flares. And then you couple that backpack, first aid bag, and any of the rear enclosure plastics, it's pretty limited, especially looking out these side plastic windows, you get some distortion. Couple that with any dust, especially in this area, and it makes for very poor visibility. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Appreciate you for watching.